You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the currency of Kazakhstan. If you want to learn more confusing currency names and English vocabulary, stay tuned to the end of the video. We've got tons coming up, and subscribe to the channel. The Kazakhstani pronunciation is as Tenge, Tenge. This is why in English it's normally referred to as Tenge, Tenge, alright? Tenge or Tenge. Kazakhstani Tenge. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.